The best-selling truck, yes, a legendary and most popular pickup truck in automotive industry for decades, yes, been appeared in numerous movies and TV shows over the years, becoming an iconic symbol of an American pickup truck. Absolutely, you must know the vehicle we are talking about is the iconic truck, and it's the Ford F-150. In the Ford truck series, like Ford Edge and Ford Explorer, the Ford F-150 has been the icon of them all. So today, let's see some interesting facts about F-150. The F-150 has been the best-selling pickup truck in the United States for many years. It's known for its reliability, ruggedness, and versatility, making it a favorite among truck enthusiasts. Second, the aluminum body. In 2015, Ford introduced an aluminum alloy body for the F-150, which was a groundbreaking move in the pickup truck industry. This switch to lightweight materials significantly improved fuel efficiency and performance. Third is the Sync Informative System. The Ford Sync system, available in the F-150, allows drivers to access the music, navigation, and make hands-free calls using voice commands, making it easier and safer to stay connected while on the road. The fourth is the high-strength steel frame. Despite the switch to aluminum for the body, the F-150 retains its high-strength steel frame, which contributes to its robust towing and hauling capability. And next is the Ford 550 Lightning. In 2022, Ford reintroduced the F-150 Lightning, an all-electric version of the truck. The Lightning boasts impressive performance figures and a range suitable for everyday use, making it a game-changer in the electric truck market. And that's why the Ford F-150 has appeared in numerous movies and TV shows over the years, becoming an iconic symbol of the American pickup truck. It has been featured in action films, comedies, and dramas alike. Do you know any movies that F-150 ever appeared? Comment below to share with me, as I am really curious about these movies. So the F-Series lineup, which includes the F-150, has been produced since 1948. This makes it one of the longest-running nameplates in automotive history, with an incredible legacy behind it. So you can tell that I am also one of the F-150 fans. And it doesn't stop here. Ford's iconic off-road Raptor is going to land Aussie roads in 2023. Raptor performance version, the F-150 Raptor, is a high-performance off-road version of the truck. It becomes equipped with specialized suspension, off-road tires, and a powerful engine, making it a beast on rough terrains. With the F-150 Raptor being set to land Aussie market soon, let's see some common problems of it, so you can have better understanding about it. First is the transmission issues. Some owners have reported transmission problems, such as a rough shifting or transmission fluid leaks. Regular transmission maintenance, including the fluid changes, can help mitigate these issues. Second one is the suspension components. Given the Raptor's off-road capability, some owners have experienced wear and tear on suspension components, including the bushings and shocks. Regular inspections and maintenance of the suspension system can help identify and address any potential issues. Next one is the engine cooling. The Raptor's high-performance engine can generate a lot of heat during off-road driving or towing. In some cases, owners have reported cooling system problems, including the radiator leaks or overheating. Ensuring proper coolant levels and regular cooling system checks are essential. Number 4 is the electrical gremlins. As with many modern vehicles, there have been reports of electrical issues in the F-150 Raptor, such as the malfunctioning sensors, warning lights, or infotainment system glitches. Number 5 is the timing chain problems. Timing chain problems can be more common in engines that use timing chains rather than the timing belts. Timing chains are generally more durable and longer lasting than timing belts, but they can still experience issues over time, especially if the engine is not properly maintained. There have been some reports of timing chain issues in certain Ford vehicles, including the F-150 with certain engines. Please no worries that not all F-150 Raptors or Ford vehicles are affected by this problem, and it may depend on the model, year, and engine types. The timing chain is a crucial component responsible for synchronizing the engine's camshaft and crankshaft, ensuring the proper timing of engine belts and pistons. If a timing chain fails or becomes worn, it can lead to engine performance issues, unusual noises, and, in some cases, engine damage. To avoid potential timing chain problems, it's essential to follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule and have the engine regularly inspected by a qualified mechanic. Check our before video to get more maintenance ideas for your loved car. The next is the brake problems. Some owners have experienced brake-related issues, including the premature brake wear and brake fluid leaks. Regular brake inspections and maintenance can help prevent this potential problem. If you are considering purchasing a used F-150 Raptor or any Ford vehicle, it's a good idea to research the specific model year and engine type for any known timing chain issues or recalls. Additionally, having a pre-purchase inspection conducted by a knowledgeable mechanic can help identify any potential problems before making a purchase. Additionally, it's important to note that not all F-150 Raptors will experience these problems, and many owners have had positive ownership experience with the vehicle. So next, let's share with you some key aspects of F-150 Raptor's performance. The F-150 Raptor was known for its outstanding off-road performance. The Raptor is a high-performance variant of the F-150 that is purpose-built for off-road driving and has been designed to tackle rugged terrains with ease. First, the powertrain. The Raptor is equipped with a powerful engine, typically a twin turbocharged V6 that produces impressive horsepower and torque. The exact specifications may vary depending on the model year. And the second is the terrain management system. The F-150 Raptor comes with a terrain management system that offers multiple driving modes tailored to the different off-road conditions, such as a mud, sand, snow, and baja mode for a high-speed desert driving. Number 3 is the all-terrain tires. The Raptor is fitted with a large all-terrain tires designed to provide excellent grip and traction on challenging surfaces. The fourth is the suspension. The Raptor features a specialized off-road suspension with long travel shocks and heavy-duty components, allowing it to absorb bumps and maintain stability at high speeds or rough terrain. Number 5 is the skid plates and underbody protection. To protect the vital components during off-road excursion, the Raptor usually includes skid plates and underbody protection as standard equipment. The next is aggressive styling. The Raptor's aggressive exterior design not only enhances its visual appeal, but also contributes to improve the aerodynamics and performance. And the last one is the off-road prowess. With its specialized components and design, the F-150 Raptor can handle the jumps, downs, and rough trails with ease, making it a favorite choice for off-road enthusiasts. Keeping in mind that the vehicle specifications and features can change with each model year. For the most up-to-date information on the F-150 Raptor's performance and features, I recommend checking with the Ford's official website or consulting reputable automotive sources. And for those who enjoy off-roading but don't need the extreme capabilities of the Raptor, Ford offers the Trim More package. It includes upgrades like off-road tuned suspension, skid plates, and all-terrain tires. Alright, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave comments below to let us know any other topics you want to know. And remember to share this video to the friends who may need. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay tuned. I will see you very soon next week. Adios.